Okay, so we're going to be doing the problem 3x squared plus 12x plus 3y plus 10 equals 0. Okay? And so the first thing you're going to want to do is find out what it is. So you're going to do a times c, which in this case is 3 times 0, and that equals 0, therefore it is a parabola. Okay, and then so first thing you do here is you move the 3y and the 10 to the other side, so you get 3x squared plus 12x plus equals negative 3y minus 10. Okay, and so the next thing that you're going to want to do is what's called factor this right here. So you take out the 3 x squared plus 4x, and then you complete the square with 4, and then equals negative 3y minus 10. And what you're going to do is you multiply the 4 and the 3, and you add that to this side, so plus 12. Okay, and then factor this right here. You do the 3 x plus 2 squared equals negative 3y minus 10, or minus not minus 10 because you add these together, so you get plus 2. Okay, and then so next what you do is you change this side to negative 3 and then parentheses y plus 2, or sorry, minus 2 over 3 because the negative there, minus 2 over 3, and then so yeah, then you divide it by negative 3, so then you get negative x plus 2 squared equals y minus 2 over 3. Okay, and so that gives you the vertex right here as negative 2 over 3. Vertex. Okay, and so next, to find the focus, you want to find a. So the normal equation for the parabola is like x squared equals 4ay, and then so the 4a would be what's right here in this area right here. And so since that's just a 1, so 4a, that means that equals 1. And you divide by 4, so a would equal 1/4. And so to find the focus, since this parabola is upside down, or opens down because it's negative sign, that means that you're going to subtract it from the y. So that'd be 2/3 minus 1/4, which is the same thing as 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12, and that gives you 5 over 12. So that means that your focus is going to end up being negative 2, 5 over 12. Okay, and then to get the vertex, you do the same thing. You just do, you do almost the same thing, except you add the 1/4. So 2 over 3 plus 1/4, or 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12, and that gives you 11 over 12. And so, yeah, that just means your directrix, or however you say it, is just y equals 11 over 12. I think that's y, right? Yes, y. So, directrix. Okay, and then so to get the length of your lattice rectum, that's usually just 4a, and so since we calculated a up here as 1/4, you just do 1/4 times 4, and that equals 1. So that's the length of the whole lattice rectum. Okay, so now let's put it on the graph. So the vertex is, we'll do -2, and then -2, 5/12, which, or no, 2/3, sorry. And that's going to be like around here somewhere. That looks like 2/3. We'll go with that. And then, so that's the vertex, and then the focus is -2, 5/12, which is less than half, so that's going to end up going like around here somewhere. Okay, and then the directrix is y equals 11/12, so that's just almost 1, and so just give that a little dashed line. So that's about right there. Okay, and so let's see. Alright, well then next we want to get we just want to draw it, but the length of the lattice rectum, so means it's going to be 0.5 this way, and 0.5, hold on, -2.5, and 0.5 that way, since the length of the lattice rectum is 1, so you just want to divide it by 2. And then so that just makes it like that, and like that. Alright, and that is how you solve it.